Global markets have been a bit subdued on the back of the confusion between US Treasury and US Fed regarding the next round of stimulus. However, the long weekend in US and also in India is giving markets a time to pause from running up, and probably this is good for the health of the market. Little bit of correction here and there is good for the health of the market. The one-way rally which we have witnessed over the last few weeks needed a pause, and the annual Thanksgiving holiday in US probably have given that pause to the markets. We believe that the liquidity flow continues unabated, and on the back of that liquidity, markets all over the world are rising, including India. Indian markets attracted record foreign investment during the month of November 2020. $7+ billion of funds came in, and that's been a record. DIIs did do some bit of profit booking and selling, but that was drowned out by the inflows coming from FIIs. We believe the trend will continue well into the December, and up to Christmas, we believe market will maintain buoyancy and positive bias. Over the next financial year as well as calendar year, corporate performance will become critical, but as of now, liquidity will continue to drive the markets. We see few critical green shoots in Indian economy, and expectation are building up around a sharp recovery by the Q4, and which will be followed into the next fiscal with between 8 and 9% GDP growth. This expectation also has been keeping the market buoyant. Valuations have moved up quite a bit, but in spite of that, there are significant opportunities still there for a long-term investor to build portfolio and gain from the same. We believe Indian defense manufacturing offers a significant opportunity for investors, and there are excellent companies in the public sector, Bharat Electronics as well as Mazgaon Docks. We have been recommending both for buying by the investor even at current levels and holding for a year for between 30 to 40% upside. We also believe that BFSI as a sector will keep moving upwards. There are interesting valuation situation in mid-cap banking space, and Federal Bank is one bank where we recommend a buy at current levels. We believe the bank has turned the corner. The asset quality is improving, the CASA is improving, and the net margin eventually over the next few quarters will significantly move up. Acquisition of Federal Bank at current level for a one-year hold will definitely help investors. Technology sector also continues to provide attractive opportunities. In the BPM segment, Firstsource, which belongs to the RP Sanjeev Goenka group of companies, has been a major player with many Fortune 500 companies being their clients, and we believe acquisition of Firstsource solutions at current level can provide the investor interesting upside over a period of 1 year. Investors will do well to keep selectively picking up stocks and adding to their portfolio.